The optional BMW Drive Recorder is available in vehicles with BMW Operating System 7 produced from July 19. It saves up to 10 short video recordings of the vehicle environment in order to document, for example, traffic conditions or an accident. The system uses the 4 surround view cameras from the vehicle. Find the BMW Drive Recorder by going to Apps, Installed Apps, Drive Recorder. To activate the BMW Drive Recorder for the first time, you have to accept the legal disclaimer. Then you can start recording manually. Find your saved recordings and the settings. When selecting Settings, you will also find a setup assistant that you can access anytime. Please check the box Recording Allowed to enable the Drive Recorder. Select the recording length before the trigger with a maximum of 20 seconds. The same can be done for after trigger. At Camera Selection, you can select your preferred cameras used for recording. Select the preferred recording type. Manually means you can start the recording in the app, with the widget on your home screen, or by long pressing the Panorama View button. Automatically means that the recording starts automatically if the vehicle sensors detect an accident situation. In the BMW Drive Recorder app, click on Saved Recordings to find your recordings with additional information on date and time and with a preview of your recorded situation. Saved videos can be played, exported, and deleted. Depending on your country, exported videos also contain additional data of your recording, like position and velocity. For your own safety, the recording is only shown on the central information display when the vehicle is moving slower than 5 km an hour. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.